Hi guys, today we're going to talk about my Black & Decker steamer. As you know, life gets busy when you're always on the go. My schedule is packed with meetings, travel, and of course a night out here and there. It's important that I always look my best, and being neatly dressed gives me that confidence. This Black & Decker handheld steamer makes it happen. Whether quick touch-ups or steaming out wrinkles, my clothes look neat and fresh in no time. This steamer is lightweight yet powerful, creating 45% more steam than the leading handheld steamer, with either a continuous flow of steam for whole garments or short bursts of steam for detailed touch-ups. Plus, it heats up in under a minute. Perfect when maybe I'm running late and my favorite blouse is wrinkled. I can use it around the house too. It comes with attachments for special jobs like upholstery, delicate fabrics, even lint removal. The extra long 15-foot cord gives me plenty of reach to steam my bedding and my drapes, and by using it to clean steam-safe surfaces, I'm able to minimize the use of chemical cleansers in my home. With the handy removable water tank, I'm able to fill it up under the faucet and snap it back into place, and it holds plenty of water to steam my outfit, making it a part of my daily morning routine. With my hectic schedule, I sometimes forget a thing or two, like shutting off my steamer. No worries there. This even has an auto shut-off feature that kicks in after 15 minutes of inactivity. Day saved. Plus, the 2-year warranty lets me know that this is built to last. I simply love the fast and effective results I get with the Black & Decker handheld steamer. I can always count on Black & Decker, the #1 brand in garment care. The advanced handheld steamer, only from Black & Decker.